In this phase, we're going to create the visual representation of our player. The alien is going to be a set of animations that we can programmatically control to bring our player to life. We're going to create the alien object type. We're going to give it a series of animations. We're going to set those animations properties, and then we're going to test and save our project. Make sure you have your USB flash drive. Make sure you have your step-by-step project guide. That's the first thing I do. I click on the project guide, I scroll to the table of contents, and I find the phase I'm working on, the alien. Some of these steps are very detailed, so it's important that you use this. I'm not always going to give you everything keystroke for keystroke, so make sure you have this up whenever you're working on the game. Let's go to layers. Let's make sure we're working on the game layer, that it's active, and that it is unlocked. We're going to add our alien object type. Right-click, Insert New Object. It's going to be a sprite, and we're going to call it Alien with a capital A. When the crosshair appears, click on the game layer. Click on the folder. We're going to choose Alien Stand. That's going to be our default animation, the one that plays if we're not playing any other animation. Let's set the origin point to 38,113 and close. I'm going to pull the alien off of the layout. Pretty soon you're going to see what we're going to do with this. We need to add some animations to our alien though. Go to the animations window, right click, add animation. We're going to make one called walk with a capital W. Make sure it's the active one. We're going to be loading 4 images. Click the folder, go to alien walk 77 by 117. We're going to set its origin point to 39,117, and in the animation frames window, we're going to add that as a frame. Let's go get the second frame. Click on the folder, go to alien walk 80,115. Set its origin point, 40,115. Remember, these are in the project guide. Add the frame to the animation frame window. Let's go get the third one. Alien walk 77,117. 39 for X, 117 for Y. Right click, add frame. Let's go get the last one for the walk animation. $39 for X, 115 for Y. Add the frame to the animation frame window, and you can delete the empty one on the end. Let's preview it. I'm going to click on walk, right click, preview. So that's our walk animation right now. One more time, right click, preview. I'm going to move around some of these because I want to show you where to find the animation's properties. For every animation, you can set its properties. You can make it faster. We're going to make ours 8 frames per second, and you can even loop it. So change ours to loop yes. Now if you go back and preview the walk animation, you should see something just a little bit different. It should be faster and it should loop. That's what our player is going to look like when it walks. X to close. Let's create another one. Add animation. Jump. Whenever the player is jumping, we're going to play this alien animation. Go to our assets, find alien jump, set its origin point. 43,115. Add it to the animation, right click to add frame, and delete the empty one off the end. So now we have 3 animations. We just added the jump one. It's a single frame animation. Let's add another one. This is going to be called fall with a capital F. Similar to what we did with jump, we're going to find the right image, which is alien fall 83,117. We're going to set the origin point, 42,117. And in the animation frames window, we're going to add the frame, delete the empty one off the end. All right, one more to go. Right click, add animation. We're going to call this one success with a capital S. It's going to be a single frame animation where the alien has its arms in the air. Click on the folder, Find alien success. And let's set its origin point. 42, 112. Right click, add that frame, and delete the empty one off the end. So at this point, we have 5 different animations. The default, a 4-frame walk animation, a single frame jump animation, a fall animation, and a success animation. We're going to be using these at the right times in our game. Remember, the alien is not on the layout. So let's save it.